Hey YouTube, your boy here, and this is my 2013 Verde Cadet in purple bike check. Starting up front, dual Martinez grips, the best grips I've ever rode, ever. Have a lot of wear down, but still, I've had these for 3 months to get them. They're really good grips. I got Hoffman bar end on this side, and I got a duo grip on this side. Alright, for my bars, I got Hoffman Ontic bars in sparkled blue. I don't know if you can see that. Really nice. And I'm getting new ones. I'm getting United Value 3 bars. I got a Blitz stem, but I have my faceplate backwards because that's the way I roll. I have 2012 stock Verde forks, and they weigh a lot. They're dinosaurs. I have Animal ASM tires. Tire in the front, I think 2.1 in the front, I'm pretty sure. I have Alienation black rim. I have blue stainless nipples. Haha, yeah, I know nipples. Huh. I got titanium spokes that I put on here from Wheels at the bicycle shop. I have my 2012 Verde Cadet frame in purple. And just to let you guys know, I am getting I think it's gonna be the Fit Shivs. I'm getting them in a couple days. Hopefully, I have to work and everything, but alright. For my seat, I have Stolen Thermalite seat. Took the sticker off, it was falling off anyway. Pivotal seat. Stolen Thermalite Micro seat wedge, whatever it is. Verde seat post, or seat clamp. I have Animal Hamilton PC pedals. I like how they spin. They're really nice and durable. I've had these for a long time. Stock Verde cranks. Really, I hate them. Whoops. I hate them a lot. I'm gonna get new ones, but for my chain wheel, I am running a Stolen chain wheel. Stolen Class 2 chain wheel, I think. I have an Odyssey Bluebird chain. I have a Alienation Graffiti back tire. It's in, I don't know what it's in, you guys. It's sealed. I have a Haro 000 sealed back rim. Really nice, super light, highly recommendable. I couldn't find it on Dance Comp, but I've killed. But I have stock hub in it. Missing a spoke there. I said Alienation Graffiti back tire. And now, here is my hub sound. Alright, well, you guys, that was my bike check. Have a nice day. Bye!